Hello everyone, I'm Dijan. Welcome to my Yoga Therapy Pill platform. Today I will be sharing with you a yoga program for breath, pranayama, connecting flow and breath. Basically, we're going to take this spacious, this deep, this flowing breath and integrated it into an asana flow. We're going to work with the very basic sun salutations, with the very classical format of sun salutations, and study how we can really integrate breath into the movement. That's another brick in our foundation so that we can keep a quality breath throughout an entire practice of yoga. Let's do something good for ourselves and practice. We will start our practice with sun salutations, but we are going to do them very gently, very carefully. In case you need a stronger practice for warm-up, please make sure that you do a little warm-up sequence for your joints, for your body, especially when you're doing this practice early in the morning. Otherwise, we're just going to bring the hands in front of the chest, and here you can press your palms against each other, like awakening the joints, the strength of the fingers, the wrists. Feel your body strong, your feet are strong on the ground. Your legs are straight but not locked, so I'm not locking my knees, there's always a little angle. My abdomen is relaxed, breathing in and out. My chest is open, my head is aligned with the spine. And as I go up with my arms, I'm following my fingertips. They're pointing towards the ceiling. There's an extra extension above my rib cage. And my neck is long as I am moving a little bit backward with my head. I'm not squeezing my neck. So these are all these mini movements of warming up as we are introducing the sun salutations. And then for my hip joint, I'm bending forward, relaxing the neck here. You can move the head to the sides, back and forth. My fingertips are on the ground. If you cannot reach the ground with your legs straight, you can gently bend your knees here. Rest your torso on the thighs. Keep moving the neck, making circles. Just preparing your body. And then placing both hands on the ground. Again, feel free to bend your knees deeper if needed. If not, you can keep them straight, whatever your body allows you to do. My fingers are very active, that's important. I'm not pressing against the floor only with the palm of my hand, but my fingers are active. And I'm bringing the left leg to the back, the knees on the floor. And when I'm open with my chest, the knee in the front is in a vertical line. My chest is open. Head is slightly tilted back. This is a very gentle lounge. And then both hands are again on the floor, and I'm going into downward dog. Here making a few stepping motions. Do what your body needs. Just to warm up your hip joints. You can press against the shoulder blades to go deeper into a stretch here, but don't force your body. And then bringing your knees on the floor. And here we're going to use the strength of the arms to go into a zigzag line with the chest and chin on the floor, and then opening up into an upward dog. Feel your palms and fingers pressing. And tucking the toes back into the downward dog. And lifting on your toes to control the movement a little bit with more ease. Bringing the left leg forward into a lunge. Again, opening up the chest, tilting the head slightly back. And then pressing on my left foot, I'm going to bring the right foot next. Again, relaxing the head, the neck. And from the hip joints up, following the hands, and exhaling the palms against each other into Namaste, and relax. So this first round was more for preparing the body, for warming up. And now we are going to synchronize the breath and movement. And here the emphasis could be, instead of breathing in and out, like synchronizing the movement as if I'm starting the movement and I'm already breathing in. And by the end of the movement, my inhalation will be complete. Then I'm starting the movement, I'm starting to exhale, and by the end of the movement, my exhalation will be complete. So it's going to be a dance of movement and breath. So let's try it this way. Exhaling, bringing the hands in front of the chest. Inhaling, arching up. By the time my in-breath is done, my movement is done. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale, both feet back. And when I go into the deep stretch, my exhalation is complete and I hold the breath. Go into the zigzag line with knees, chest and chin on the floor. And arching up, inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Right foot forward, inhale. Exhale, both feet forward. Arching up, inhale. Hands in front of the chest, exhale. And relax. Enjoying this dance of breath and movement. Let's do it for one more round to integrate it more in our body. Exhale, hands in front of the chest. Inhale, arching up. Exhale, bowing down. Left foot back, inhale. Both feet back, exhale. Holding the breath, zigzag line. And arching up, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. And left foot forward, inhale. Both feet forward, exhale. And arching up, inhale. Hands in front of the chest, completing the sequence. With an exhalation. And relaxing your arms, taking a moment to observe the effects. This deep breathing combined with the sequence, opening up your body, energizing your spine, preparing you to the day after the salutation of the sun. And the next practice, we are going to be working on this deep, full yogic breath in a particular rhythm. So you may use a pillow and rolling down into a seated position. We're going to do the complete yogic breath into the abdomen, the thoracic cage, all the way to the clavicular bones, but in a particular rhythm. 4 units for in-breath, 4 units for out-breath. So let's begin. Slowly exhaling all the air out. Inhale 4 units. Exhale 4 units. And continue in your own pace. If 4 by 4 is complicated, you can do 3 by 3, 2 by 2. What's important is you use this abdominal thoracic cage all the way down to the clavicular, all the way up, sorry, for the clavicular bones, the entire lung capacity. That's what's important. And keeping the in-breath and out-breath equal while breathing through the nostrils. You may exhale through the mouth if it's difficult to have a long exhalation through the nostril. So let's see what your body allows you to do today. If your breath gradually slows down, the counts become 6 by 6, 7 by 7. That's fine. That's something that we desire. And that will do. Take a moment with your eyes closed, observing your state of mind, your state of being, sensations in your body. And this concludes our practice. I hope you have enjoyed this practice. If you would like to get into this more spacious place for breathing and explore the different parts of the body and how they're engaged in breathing, please check out my previous release using the link in the corner. Subscribe to my channel using the link in the other corner. Turn on the notifications and feel free to send your explorations, your questions, and your suggestions for future topics in the comments section. meditation. Thank you very much for joining me.